Hi, in this video today I would attempt to take you through the step-by-step process on how you can make payment for your children using the online payment gateway system. Now I want to believe that you're familiar with what you're seeing on the screen right now. Now the first thing to do is to log in as a parent. Just log in into the portal, then you will see your own profile at the right hand side, and you will see the list of your children on the left hand side, depending on how many children you have in that particular school. If you only have a child, you will see the child here, but if you have more than one, you also see them here. Now what we want to do here is to make payment for them, and you make payment for each child separately. So for this particular child, Ajibade Daniel is owing nothing at the moment. But for this other person, we're going to pay 2,009,000 naira. And you can see this is the total fee that you need to pay for your children. So the portal will sum up the two amounts, and you'll see the total here. So let's move on. So kindly click on pay fee and wait for it to load. Now you'll be directed to a page that looks like this. Now the first thing you want to do on this page is to make sure that you set it to the right session and the right time, because if you don't do this, you might be paying the money into another time, and that will cause a pandemonium, and you don't want that to happen. So make sure that you select the right session and the right time. At the point of recording this video tutorial, we are in 2021-2022 session, second term. So I'm sure that that is correct. Now the next thing you want to do on this page is to make sure that you select all the compulsory payments. Now you can go ahead and select them one after the other like this, but just to save you the time and the stress of going through all of them one after the other, you can just click on this checkbox, select all compulsory payments, and all of them will be selected for you, and the total is 82,460. Right, this is for this school. Your own school, the school of your children might be different, so take note of that. Now the next thing you want to do is to select any of the optional fees that you want to pay. These ones are not compulsory, but in case you need a tie for your children, you need a beret, you need a socks, you need an ID card, like that, depending on what your school has as option for your children. If I want to select all, I will just do this, but I don't want to pick all. I will just pick, let me pick a tie, let me pick a scissor, let me pick a beret for her. She needs a sock, she needs an ID card, she needs a sportswear. I'll just leave it like that, and this is the total I need to pay at the moment. We have 82,460 and 10,600. So everything is sum up to 93,060. So I'll click on pay now. So that's the next thing you want to do. Click on pay now. The system will ask you, are you sure you want to pay this amount of naira? Click on yes, continue. As it loads, you would see a payment gateway pop up on your screen. Yes. Now I need to explain something to you here. Now this payment gateway affords you the opportunity to make transfer into your children's bank account. Now you might be wondering, my child does not have a bank account. Well, a payment gateway system also gives a unique account number to every student in that school, including your children. And so this is the account number right there. You can see the screen. This account number is unique to your child, to this particular child, and you pay into this bank. This is the name. So you just pick your phone right now. If you want to use an online app, you want to use USSD transfer, just make sure that you transfer to this account, Wema Bank, with this name. You need to do that before you click on confirm payment. Otherwise, nothing will be paid. So you must make sure that money has been transferred into this particular account And that is when you can now come back and click on confirm payment. And so this is so secure. You don't need to worry about losing your PIN code, losing the number on your ATM card, and all of that. We've designed this to make sure that your privacy is protected. As soon as you're done with the transfer, just click on confirm payment. And there you go. The payment will be confirmed, the school will receive it, and your profile will be updated. Thank you.